Hello everybody, another video here. This is my Antron. First section, second section, third section that broke. So I put the red electrical tape on it. It's fiberglass. Inside it is wire. The wire is the antenna. So I taped it back, put a piece of plastic on here as a splint, 5 layers of tape on that, 3 or 4 layers down here. As I know, tape won't hold up in the weather very long, but this is 71 inches. Now I'm going to put her back up. So I was wondering if I have a 102-inch steel whip extra, if I cut that down to 71 inches and put that on top, or what would it be like to put the whole complete 102-inch steel whip on top of this thing. So it's 17 feet with all 3 lengths. All 3 pieces is 17 feet. Works pretty good. I've talked to Rhode Island, South America. So getting ready to put her back up. Just another short video clip here. Out here with all my junk. I'll be back.